Welcome to Study Loop.
So we have to write the chemical formula of these ionic compounds, and we do have to refer to the anion and cation, the oxidation states or the charge provided by the anion. If you have questions regarding the charge, you have to refer to the book and the tables providing the common cations or anions and their charge. So in this case, we started with copper chloride. So we know we have copper, we have chloride. So chloride is pretty easy, it's a halogen and it's -1. Now copper is a metal and it can have different oxidation states, but when we look at the name, it has a number 2, Roman number 2, meaning that this is copper 2 plus. Now remember that ionic compounds, ionic formulas have to be neutral. So we know we have a +2 charge in the copper, so we are needing 2 chloride anions per each copper atom for us to have a neutral compound. Also, it works that you can cross section the charge. So this will be 1 here, and this will be 2 here, meaning that our formula will be copper chloride too. Now, copper iodate, it is the same case. We have copper and we have iodine here, which is -1. Now here we have that this copper is copper 1 plus. This is plus. So we just need one of each other to make the compound since they are +1 and -1. Now lead chromate, lead chromate is a polyatomic anion, and this is so we have lead, and chromate is chromium oxygen 4. This is -2 charge. So this is in the list from the book if you need to review the polyatomic anions, please go ahead and do so. And then the charge of the lead is 2 plus. So in here they have the same charge, we just need one of each other. So the answer for this one will be the following. Now for the rest of the problem, we have calcium fluoride. So calcium fluoride, we have calcium and we have fluoride. Fluoride is -1, calcium is a +2 charge. So when we do the cross charging, we cross the charge. This is 1 and this is 2. We'll end up with calcium fluoride 2. Potassium hydroxide. So we have potassium is K, hydroxide is a polyatomic ion. So this is potassium is +1, hydroxide is -1. So we need one of each of them to obtain our compound, KOH. Iron phosphate. Now phosphate is also a polyatomic anion, and phosphate is PO here, PO4, and this is -3 charge. And we have here iron, and then we have iron. Now looking at the name, we have iron 2. This is, it has a 2 Roman plus 2 Roman number, so this is 2 plus. And the easiest way to write this one is crossing the charges of the ions. We'll be leaving with iron, 3 irons. And when you have multiple polyatomic ions, you want to have them inside a parenthesis, and then you will add a 2. And that's the answer.